how to buy Kermit token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 1 month ago and increased by 4,000% in the last 24 hours. Now this token, it's trending number 13 in the BNB Smart Chain section. So to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Now open your BitKit wallet. For that, I will just go to wallet, select the BNB chain as a network. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called Kermit. Now click on it. Now here click on swap, switch from here. From the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive that token. As you can see, now here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Kermit token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.